All right, I tried warning you guys about this the other day about property taxes. Now, where we live, we get taxed for pretty much everything. School taxes, fire departments, municipal utility districts, even community college, if you're zoned for that. So, in a particular neighborhood, property taxes are at 3.113% of the property value. If the taxes on a home are $4,320 each year, what's the appraised value of the home? And you might want to think about this if you're trying to create a budget for purchasing a house. You can easily figure out how much a mortgage payment is going to be. There are apps for that. Okay. You may say, okay, this is how much my monthly payment is going to be. I must also figure in how much my taxes are going to be. So let's think about this. The words are right here for you. The property taxes are, that's like equals, 3.113% of. So see these key words right here? So what follows the word of? What piece of the percent equation and proportion follows the word of? No, of means multiplication, but what's the stuff that comes after it? Is it the part or the whole? It's the whole. Whole follows the word of. So if I look at this, do I know my property taxes?
Yes.
Property taxes are what? No.
Oh, 4,320.
But let me rewrite it this way. So property taxes are 3.113% of property value. Does that sentence, that fragment there, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't? Or it does?
It does.
Your taxes are a percentage of your property value. Are you with me on that? So let's see, what do we know and what do we not know? Do you know how much the property taxes are? How much are they? No, that's not what. How much are you paying in property taxes? What is the dollar amount that you're writing your check for? Do you know?
No.
Isn't it this right there? The taxes are right there. So this guy is 4,320. The word "are," for those of you who know English, since we are in America, "are" is a form of the verb "to be," which is, which is your equal sign. How do I translate the 3.113%? Move it. There you go. 2 times, so it's 0.03113. That's how the percent gets translated as a decimal. What does the word "of" mean? Multiplication. What's the property value? What was that, Augustus?
X.
You don't know, so you're going to say X, right. Look at the equation that I have here. Is this something you can solve? How do you get X by itself? Oh, don't subtract. If you subtract this, think about, no, I want you to see, if I subtract this, if you take 4,320 minus 0.03113, that means your property value is $4,319. I'm pretty sure that every house that you guys live in, even if it's your car, is worth more than that. Right? And sometimes people do live out of their cars. You've seen Napoleon Dynamite, right? Guy lives out of that really neat custom van. So we need to come up with an answer that makes sense, right? If I divide by this, 0.03113, you better come up with an answer that makes sense. Do you? If you come up with a property value of, oh, this house is worth $142, You're probably wrong. Let's see what we come up with. So 4,320 divided by 0.0113. So what is that? X is approximately equal to how much? I'll give you a hint. There's a dollar sign for you. How do you translate this number? How do you read that number? 138,000. And 88 cents, right? Did you guys get that? Does that sound like an appropriate value for a home? It sounds all right. Now, this guy could be living in the same neighborhood as a house that's priced at $250,000, right? The people that live in that nicer home, guess what they're doing? They're paying more money, right? This is why a lot of times some people will challenge that tax statement about their property. So, no, my home didn't go up in value. They say the home didn't go up in value so that they don't have to pay more taxes, right?
Yep.
I've always kind of been of the mentality of, you know what, fine, let my home go up in value. That way when I go around and try to sell my home, I can actually try to get what it's worth. Except for that 1 year right before I was trying to sell my home, when the property value dropped by about 10%. That was no good. So the home is worth about $138,772 and 88 cents.